welcome to the channel. This is another video from that 11-day road trip that I took. This video is with my buddy Mike over in New Jersey, where we build part of a tool cabinet. We didn't get to finish the whole thing because I was only there a day, but we got a lot done. Now, when I started my YouTube channel, I always said if I'm going to do build videos, I'm going to show you the entire process, mistakes and all. So what I did is I went through the 4 hours of footage and just picked out the mistakes and the funny part. So it's basically the opposite of all the other videos that you see on YouTube. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's dive in. There you go.
There you go. No, what the f?
It doesn't work?
Are you serious? Ah, there it is, okay. Plus a 3/4 panel, so that's 14.75. You alright?
I almost died, man.
That's a nice fit.
Alright.
It doesn't really matter. It is what it is.
Okay. I'm not tall enough to see.
I didn't think this part through. This is really big.
It is.
19-point turn.
Oh.
Son of a shot me in the Small shop problems, baby. Small shop problems. There's our case.
All right. Yes. What am I using it for? It is.
Actually, not bad.
It's not that bad at all. Holy crap.
No way.
What?
What? No way. Wait, that's the top. Doesn't matter. We need to be square off the bottom. Ay, ay, ay. All right. So. True.
It'd be like the saws are sectioned off.
You're right.
What did you say?
Yeah, you heard it. Jamie from Batcave Creations is correct.
Yes.
You on your line?
This pencil, dude, I swear. Check it with the square.
Check it with the square. 101 reasons not to buy Ryobi. We may have to run the Lowe's. Wasn't planning on making any trips to the home center today, but
Just pick a different size. Spend half the day just putting this together.
come on. Damn you. Alright, now that's not gonna happen.
What happened?
I dropped one of the little squares from the top corner.
Is it gone forever?
It's not gone forever, it's just I gotta move the laser to do it and just not.
Noise. Oh.
This way we each have something. You alright?
See, I just make noise, I'm telling you, I'm not hurt. I just ooh, and everything.
What did we say this inside measurement was here? Do you remember?
14?
Was it 14 or 14
Yeah.
and it was 14, right?
I think so. What, 13, 15, 16, 15 sixteenths? 13 and 15 sixteenths?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go to Lowe's. As far as we get it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that'll work. Hello.
I had to use my head to push the clamp. Where are you to help me? You just walk away.
I'm getting a clamp! It's right here.
That's what I mean. I'll take a plane and plane that down. You want to hand me I'm trapped. Can you hand me the block plane?
No.
Up.
Oh, wait, no. Wait. Just out.
You just pocket screw this side.
Oh, who? We forgot to drill the holes.
You can still drill a hole. Oh, in the drill press.
Listen, pocket holes have the place. I don't care what anybody says.
Yes, they do.
Ah, you bastard.
It moved.
Getting excited! Yeah, man. Awesome. Right? It actually is looking pretty sweet.
Yeah, because you can still use
This is
that.
what, 14 inches? Beautiful.
Mark it. How are you going to cut that?
On the chop saw.
Oh.
Dangerously.
Should I record it?
Definitely.
Am I in the line of fire?
No, you should be fine. This isn't super hypercritical. Don't do this at home, kids.
Why would you throw that away? Why would you throw that away?
Why wouldn't I?
Look at that. That's a perfectly good piece. Perfectly good piece. It goes in the tube.
Dude, do you realize I have like that full length piece? Like that full length piece? I have like, there's like 6 of
I don't
those
care.
lengths in there.
I don't care. That's a good piece of dowel. You can turn it into a handle.
Where is Sarula? No, seriously, where do we put that the little scale, the little 6-inch scale?
You got blood on this.
Do I?
Yeah. There we go.
So what we'll do is let me get that cut down. Should be 14. What did I say? 14 inches? 13? I don't remember. It was 13 and like splitting.
Grab the tape measure.
No. I had intended on using like 2x material for this,
You just cut it.
and I just cut a 1x
It happens.
because it.
Yeah.
I mean,
bleep
it.
Bleep it.
It was like 13.
Do you remember what it was?
It was like 13 and 30 seconds. That's close enough. Broke the lead again. Should have marked it beforehand. This is the one that I'm most concerned about.
Winslow.
Winslow
Winslow.
and Sons. We're not doing that.
Look at I'll help you.
We're not gonna run the saw with a bunch of clamps.
What happened?
You caught it on camera.
Did I? What the heck? We got it on camera!
Oh, something's on fire.
It was smoking from the cut.
Yeah, it is. Still is. What is smoking though? Yeah, let's just make sure we didn't set the saw on fire. Use dust collection kits.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. We didn't plug in that. I don't see any more smoke though.
Other than, all the smoke that's filling our
You want me to open the garage?
Yeah, let's open the garage door.
I don't see anything looking like it got.
Maybe I was pushing a little hard.
Oh, there's a piece right here.
Maybe that's what it was. Yeah, some thin strips.
Yeah. There's another one in here.
Maybe that's what it was. Thin strips. That plate moves.
Oh, it doesn't.
And we're back. Woodpeckers, it'd be cool if I had a banner.
That would be sweet. Because it's the most woodpeckers in Lee Nielsen I've ever seen in one place.
Which is weird because I really don't have that much stuff.
What do you mean?
Well, I meant woodpecker stuff.
What do you mean?
I
have 3 things that are woodpeckers, and one of them is the mini square. Are you breaking your lead?
Yeah. The right of that line there. 3.
You broke your leg.
It's been a rough day, Jamie.
Done, son.
Done.
Show the camera. Lower. Where are you? Show the camera.
Oh.
Up. 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 Right there. Yay. Put the saws in it.
What?
We gotta see the saws.
I know.
It's not touching. That's perfect. Everything needs to stay where it's at.
Oh, fingerprints on the plate.
No fingerprints on the plate.
Say hello to my little friend. Got him.
This thing is a potato chip.
It's bad.
On the bench.
On the bench.
We have to go your way.
Too much. Right there?
Big bong beat, yeah.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
Yep.
What are you doing? Tipping it.
No, I didn't need to tip it. There you go.
Like a glove.
Ooh, you feel that air pressure?
Nice.
How you looking over there?
Nice. Good.
The beast. This is the beast. Right. Where's that plywood? Wait, I did the right thing and I wrote things down.
Yay!
Okay, small till. I didn't write the width down. That looks right to me.
Yep.
That's completely self-supported.
Breaking lead.
Oh man, I did dial this all in nice. That's pretty close. I'm gonna send that.
Send it. Boss.
Bossy's good. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. We gotta build a box. So I can...
The shorter one. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go.
Dude. About to go get the number 7. Because I set it off this, so. Man, oh man.
Sometimes.
Hey, look at that. They match. Go figure. Who would have thunk it?
Yay!
Hold on. 1 5/8. Right?
1 5/8.
Plus 6.
Plus 6. Is
7
6
5/8.
7 and
5/8. Plus 3/8. 8 inches. Okay. Jamie wasn't right.
Alright.
Short track.
Short track.
Short track. There's one of my triangles.
Yeah!
I'm good.
Good.
Woo!
Got it.
Oh, you know what? It's this piece isn't square. The piece wasn't square when I started. Close enough.
That'll
But
still be good.
it's just enough to keep some support on.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
So, take but why not?
Drywall screws.
Drywall screws are the devil.
Oh, the horror.
No, something ain't right.
Oh, the
no.
chisel things. Remember we accounted for
Right,
those
we
chisel
counted for the
things.
chisel things. Okay. So 50 minus 29 is what, 21?
21.
21? 21?
That's awesome.
That's purty.
Yep.
That's purty. I'm not gonna worry about it. It's
Close enough.
a 32nd over 6 inches. Good enough for me.
Right angle. Show the
Oh,
camera.
come on.
What?
I didn't have it back far enough.
Oh, the triangle?
Yeah. See?
Yep.
They said I wanted to be able to adjust it. And now it sits flush. Thank you.
Will Adams, Honeybrook?
Honeybrook Tools, baby. Things you shouldn't do, kids.
I know. We make it work.
We do what we can, when we
Yep.
can, however
Yep.
we can. We just keep on keeping on. Good. Done.
Nice.
Ain't going nowhere now.
Nice.
Okay.
Why wouldn't you go to the other side?
Huh?
Why wouldn't you go to the other side? That doesn't seem safe. What's it going to reference after you cut? It's going to.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. Well, it feels like it's sitting flush, so I'll takes it.
Noise. Don't be putting them all up there right now. They're going to collapse.
I know. That's fine.
You just want to see what it looks like.
I kind of do.
Careful.
I know.
See, I never understood why they didn't make the bottoms a plain square. They're all rounded, so but
I know.
everybody stores their planes this way.
I know.
Pick an angle. Can I angle grind them?
No. No, you cannot.
Where's the pencil?
Didn't break it.
Didn't break it? Nice.
Didn't break it.
You're getting better at not breaking the leg.
The light touch, Jamie. The light touch. Not even close. Oh, wait, no.
Yeah,
I'm
no,
good.
it's good. Yeah.
I'm perfect. Folding ruler. Ow!
I got that on camera.
Real nice.
Use your micro adjust. You paid extra for that.
Das ist gut. Unless this is there we go.
So there you go. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we didn't get to complete the entire project. Where that big open space is, he wants to build a cabinet there for his hand tool or smaller tools, layout tools, specialty planes, that kind of stuff. So what I'll do when he gets it completed is I will post those pictures over on my Facebook page and on my Patreon if you guys want to check those out. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. I know it was a little bit different, but I wanted to show you guys that that's pretty much what true woodworking is like. The perfect videos that you see on YouTube, they cut a lot out. They cut out all of the mistakes, and I did the exact opposite. So let me know down below whether you like that or not. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good day.